This is your girl Ebony Vaughn back again with another video. About to show you guys how I slay my eyebrows, you know, all that good stuff. So if you guys are interested in my channel, make sure you guys subscribe, do all that good stuff, you know, leave a message. So first I'm going to be using my e.l.f. brow pencil, which has a spoolie on this side and it has the pencil on the other side. So first I'm going to be taking the eyebrows up like this, you know, combing them out and all that good stuff. Then let me turn my mirror around, guys. So this is how I do it. Combing them out first. Be taking the eyebrows and pushing them, well, the hairs on my eyebrows, pushing them up like this. And then I'm gonna take this side of the pencil and take it like this, real gentle, real light, and bringing it down like that. Then I'm gonna take the pencil and just gently go in and fill the hairs. And then I'm gonna take my spoolie up, up, up and away like that. And then I'm gonna go right here a little bit and bring it down like that. Now I have to fill this in, so I'm gonna pull the hairs back this way and fill in this part right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just fill that part in like that. Then I'm gonna take the spoolie and brush my hairs back up like that. And then the front, just gonna add like 1, 2, 3 strokes of hair, like so. Then I'm gonna take the Infallible L'Oreal Pro Glow Concealer, which looks like this, guys. And when you open it, it has a brush on it, which is made like this. The spoolie brush, well, actually the brush of the concealer, and take it and go like this to clean up my eyebrows, like so, like so. Then I'm not gonna touch the front because you want to leave that as natural as possible. So I'm gonna take like so, and then I'm gonna take up like that. So this is what you have. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be using this deluxe concealer brush, which look like this, to clean up my eyebrows. So I'm gonna take the brush and go down, 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 baby, down by the pool. Oh, I don't even know the song. So yeah, I'm gonna take the brush and go down like this, and then I'm gonna take it upwards, just bringing it to my skin, which is like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. Then I'm gonna take the brush and do it this way too, guys. So what I did was basically just took the concealer, put it underneath my eyebrows, real nice and neat, and took this brush right here, and actually I just brought it down like this, like that. And you just blend it to your skin. But make sure when you get your concealer, guys, that it do match your skin. So this one I'm using is the Cocoa 08 in L'Oreal. So I showed you what it looked like, guys. So this is what mine look like. You can use basically any concealer as long as it matches your skin. So yes, this is how I do my eyebrows. Ta-da!